We have one stock went public in June and now went almost to 100%, and other stock going to all-time high, heavily talked about in Reddit. We're going to discuss where the profit taking for this year, and the other two stocks did reverse split, and there is an important level to show if there's a support to have a squeeze for them. Let's get right to it and dive right in. First stock we're gonna talk about is PGY. It went public in June through a merger with Blank Check Firm with trading volume over the 37 million per share. We talked about last time in our live streaming, and what we said, we have an important support above the $6.63. We held above it and we did another jump, almost 100%. The price went down, and what we said last time, if we still holding above the $6.63, we're gonna have another jump. Today we have our jump almost 50%, and now we have another support. If we held it, we're gonna have the $20 and beyond, which is above the $10.46 for PGY. Next one, we have SIGA. Went over our uptrending channel in the big picture. Last time we talked about as well, we have said that every test from above we met with selling pressure, and every test from below we met with big buying pressure. So what we suggest that the next time for SIGA test this area, we're gonna see a sell-off. Happened perfectly twice, even not once, twice, here around the 24th of May, then here around the 22nd of July. And what we said for this one, if we hold above the $10 and consolidate, we're gonna have explosion this time. Now we went 8%, and we have 1 day chart or 1 day candle still not closing above this ascending channel. So if we close by today above this channel, we're gonna confirm that SIGA is entering another phase of explosion, like what happened here around the 26th of May when it exploded from the 7 until the 14. We might see the 20 if we held above now the current support above the $15. We're gonna have another explosion and continuation for bullish trend for SIGA. And next up we have TNXB is nearing an important resistance we talked about last time. What we suggest for this one is just watch out for the $1.95. The $1.95 is been tested at the moment, and we have a red candle forming, 1 hour red candle forming, confirming that the short is heavily positioned there. So what we suggest, we need to consolidate above the $1.95 and preferably above the $2 to confirm that we're gonna have the price test this time around the $2.44, then the $2 or $2.98. Two profit taken. Calculate how much we can make, 20% and 50%. Pretty nice for me. So let me just check one stock that we talked about before, which is growth stock. Yes, AZO is kind of gravitating down because we went all-time high for this year on the 2,200. We still have a support above the 1,800 for my opinion, because if you see, we have a nice bullish continuation since COVID or since 2 years ago. So if you want to load up on this one growth stock, you can load up with the free share of AZO and Momo because it's now a summer exclusive and you can get up to 10 free stock. And as well, those stocks are AMC, DKNG, Apple, Tesla, AZO, and FuelCell Energy. You have until the end of this month to get those free stocks. And how you can get free stocks, of course, you just open a brokerage account on Momo. Second, you have to deposit $100 in order to get one free stock valid between $8 and $2,500. So use this opportunity and join with my link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open your account with Momo. And of course, you have $3 for a cup of coffee to be hyper focused and trade well with us on the Hunter tribe. So let me get back and check the other stock that we're gonna talk about today, which is SNDL, because we have an interesting thing happening for SNDL lately, which is reverse split 1 to 10. Now the price around $2.44. Everybody knows that the price was below the $1. We have an important support to hold after this reverse split, which is above the $1.67. Here, this should be the support between the $1.67 and the $1.43. This should be our bottom to confirm SNDL is stopped to going down, and this reverse is have a positive effect, and we're gonna have a general buying pressure this time. And the confirmation for reversal for SNDL for this year is the $4, or precisely around the $3.94. Why this price? This price will tell us that SNDL is ready to go around the $6.50 and around the $8.60. This will be a pretty nice jump, like 65% and 124%, like what we did 2 years ago when we jumped over the $20. Next up, we have EXELLA. Yeah, so EXELLA as well have a reverse split 1 to 20, this one, not 1 to 10, and the price jump from the 0.15 cent until now is around the $1.74. So don't be confused here with the 1000% up, because the price was yesterday around 0.15 cent. If we multiply 0.15 cent by let me just put it 20, and we're gonna have the price of $3, and the price went down was 40%. So 40% of $3 is now around the $1.74. So this is why we have the price trending down, not up. So this is kind of glitch on TradingView. However, what we should suggest for EXELLA. For EXELLA, we have an important support to hold as for SNDL, which is above the $1. And preferably if we're starting to have a big buying pressure and a wick starting above the $1.33. It's kind of psychological level. At the same time, is really important for stock to hold above the $1 so get delisted from the Nasdaq. This is really important for EXELLA to hold and confirm this is our bottom to go over the $3. Hopefully that was clear, and if you have any question, let me know in comment section below. We'll do update daily, so hit the notification and plus the like button, and see you in the next video.